Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a newsletter email to your list in Systeme.io, but to exclude, not send that same newsletter to people who are already in the middle of some sort of an email sequence. So if you know you have a email sequence of some sort, let's say somebody downloads a free PDF or an ebook or a guided meditation audio or free webinar or whatever, and then you have an ongoing email sequence, you want to leave them in peace while they're going through that sequence and not interrupt with some sort of general newsletter update. And for the longest time, I actually didn't do that. And I just recently had somebody give me feedback about that they felt they're getting a bit too many. And I thought, it's a good point. Let me figure out how to do that. So I wanted to show you how I figured out how to do this and show you how to do it at your end. So first of all, when it comes to the actual email, I just wrote this email. And I'm going to include all the tags. So select everything. And then I'm going to exclude specific tags. Now, to make my life easier, because I'm like, well, I've got multiple email sequences. How do I know which one? So what I've done is I've created one tag, which is called campaign IP, which is in progress, exclude newsletter. And I'm going to click on that. And then you see it right here. Now, here's what I've done. I'm going to first of all save this. And now what that means is that now I've set up in different email campaigns that when they join an email campaign, so they download this landing page challenge checklist, they go to this campaign, which is the landing page challenge campaign. But also I tag them as the lead, but I also tag them as campaign in progress. So every time I subscribe to somebody to a campaign, I add campaign IP exclude newsletter. I add that tag. And then I go under automations and rules, and I add a rule. So whenever they finish any of the campaigns, I remove the tag campaign IP. That way, when I'm sending this newsletter, I'm excluding people who are still in progress. So the moment they're actually finished a campaign, as you can see in this rule, this tag will be removed and they will get the newsletter. So that's how I've set it up. Now you'll notice that this particular email sequence, there's a lot of people that are already about to finish or done. And therefore all these people who are in this campaign will be back to my general newsletter, which means they're not going to be excluded right here. So hope that makes sense. If you're in my templates and coaching membership, you will see a checklist as well below this video, because that's a very helpful checklist to know on how to do that. And if you're not in my templates and coaching membership, you can go and check it out by going to arantemplates.com. That's about it. Thanks all for watching. Somewhere around here, you're going to see also a playlist with all my Systeme.io tutorials. I've got over 80 tutorials in Systeme.io. And please do me a favor, leave a comment with any questions on any tutorials you might have that you want me to create. Or if you got value from this video, please leave the word value so I know you got value from this. It helps me a lot that you leave a comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, because it does cost money to run this channel. And there's no revenue per se that comes in to cover the costs of this. So by you subscribing, it helps me maintain this channel. So thanks all for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.